Look, the circus is so big.
I want to see everything.
Let's go inside, everyone.
Wow, look at that cloud. It's made of cotton candy.
It's so pretty. Do you like the show?
Yes, I love it.
Watch the juggler go.
My hat! Oh no! Catch it, Sara.
Be careful.
Ah! The hat is in the cloud.
The cloud is moving.
Wait for me.
We must get it back.
Let's go, family.
Follow the cloud.
The cloud went that way.
Thank you.
This way, everyone.
The cloud is going up.
It's moving fast.
Hurry, hurry.
Which way now?
Squeak, go left. Thank you, little mouse.
There it is, up high.
We are close now.
Let's catch it.
Look, a trampoline.
That could help us.
Let's try it.
Use the net for safety.
Thank you for helping.
We will be careful.
I will help you up.
I am a little scared.
You can do it, Sara. The cloud is going higher.
We must hurry now.
Quick, Sara, jump. Here I go.
Bounce higher, Sara.
Hi there. I can stalk.
Wow, you started.
Yeah.
This is it, Sara.
Reach for the hat.
You can do it. I can feel it. Grab it, Sara.
So close. We caught you, Sara.
Thank you, Mama.
That was amazing.
Look, the cloud is happy now.
It is coming down.
It feels lighter.
Thank you for saving my cloud.
We are happy to help.
You are true circus heroes.
My hat is safe now. Great job, sister. We did it together. Hooray for the family!
What a wonderful day.
I am proud of you both. Do you know why we won?
Because we worked together?
Yes.
Teamwork is powerful. I am so proud of you.
We stayed calm, Mama. And we never gave up.
A gift for the heroes.
Thank you so much. This is the best day.
What a magical adventure.
Let's remember this day.
I love my family. This tastes so sweet. Can I have some too?
Of course, share nicely.
Look at the parade.
It's so colorful. I love this circus. Hello, dancers.
Hello, little friend.
Thank you for the fun day.
They are having so much fun.
Just like when we were young.
Let's join them.
This is amazing!
Best circus ever!
Best day with my family. A magical night. Thank you, brave family. Come back anytime.
Goodbye, circus friends! Thank you for everything.
We will visit again.
What a wonderful place.
A day we will never forget.
I want to come back soon.
The stars are so bright.
Just like the circus lights.
Today was perfect. I love our little adventures.
Every day with you is special.
Let's do this again.
Home sweet home.
What a lovely night.
I had so much fun today. My hat has a special place now. It has a big adventure story.
A story we will always remember. Remember the cloud chase?
That was so exciting!
You two were very brave.
Sweet dreams, my star.
Good night, Mama.
I love you very much.
You were a great helper today.
I love our family adventures.
Good night, my brave boy.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep well, my family.
Tomorrow is a new adventure.
Thank you, Cloud, for the fun day. Thank you for saving me too. Best friends forever.
And so, the family's magical circus adventure came to a happy end, full of teamwork, courage, and love.
The end.